Hello, hello, make some noise. How you doing? You all good? Yeah! We got any beatboxers in the house? Who's tried beatboxing before? Oh, nice. Got a few hands. Excellent stuff. Okay, so my name's Mikey from Noise Academy. I've been beatboxing over 10 years now. I play at clubs and festivals up and down the UK, and I also teach beatboxing as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to teach you all how to beatbox. I'm going to break it down. Thank you very much.